Massive and crew, Wagwan, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm sharing with you how to make Jamaican authentic green seasoning. The ingredients to make the green seasoning are scallion, thyme, add pepper, sweet pepper. Sweet pepper is called bell pepper in other countries. Garlic as well as pimento. Pimento is called allspice in other countries. And the pimento is used basically to help to preserve the green seasoning so that it can last longer. But I only make my green seasoning to serve me for just 1 week, because in my personal opinion, after 1 week, it starts to lose its intensity. You know, that nice strong flavor. Yes, so just put it into a bottle, cover it, and keep it in the fridge. And for me, it's 1 week. Now, some other Caribbean island you will see use other ingredients such as fresh parsley, fresh basil, cilantro, as well as culantro. Yes, but in Jamaica we can't get those ingredients. We just use our normal everyday herbs that we use to season our meat to make our green seasoning, and that's why I call this Jamaican authentic traditional green seasoning. Right now, some people use a blender. If you use a blender, then you will probably have to add a little bit of oil, you know, to get it to blend, or a little bit of water. So that is why I don't use a blender. I use a food processor, because I do not need to add any of those ingredients when I use a food processor, because the herbs already contain water and oil. So there's no need to add anything else than to just blend them to get a nice blend to season your meat, season your chicken, and season your fish. Now, there are two different what I would say, there are two different methods, or two different style of blending the green seasoning. This one that I'm uploading, I don't like my green seasoning this way, but you know, I did it because that's what a lot of people did. So this is one way of doing it. So I'm gonna upload another video showing you how I like my green seasoning. So this one I did about a few days ago, and the bottle is already halfway done. So yes, so I hope you enjoy this recipe, and remember to subscribe to my channel, click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. Yes, and you can like the video and share the video as well. Thanks for watching. Walk good until next time.